So let me get VS Code going. Get this PR merged. CD Jacklang code this, and then we'll see what branch we're on. Why do I have so many screens? Let's get rid of this one. Okay. All right. I'm here. So this branch is the Poly one. Cool. And then we want this one. Oh wait, let's do a git pull just in case we want to merge me. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, this isn't up to date. Let's do a git clean -xdf -e dot. Let's get rid of this. And then now, no, so there's some tests failing. So that's number one. So tell me something. Do you typically check when the tests fail to kind of see what's going on?
Before the pre-commit test,
Like here, yeah, but it should, if it's failing here, it should fail on your machine.
yeah.
Did,
The pre-commit, the MyPy was failed before.
oh, okay. Yeah, those we have to fix. So let's see. So I'll play with it now, and maybe I'll fix some of it, but definitely watch this video later. And you know, so eventually I'll want the PRs to all pass, pass everything, pre-commit and tests. So that's kind of the bar, you know what I mean? For the future, yeah. And if you have issues, you can always ping me, and I'm happy to help you through them. But but a PR isn't really ready until like at least these all pass, right? When you then you know a PR is ready. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on then. Okay, so we're here. I'm just going to open up another window, and then I'm going to run a test while we look at that particular issue. All right. So what I'm going to do, the thing you wanted, what was it that you were just mentioning there was an issue with? Oh, you just mentioned this piece, right? So that's in CLI.py. So basically, if you're making that change in CLI.py, what I'm suggesting is anywhere we have, so we have this in a couple places still. So we should just replace all of them since you made this change, right? So this is essentially this. This makes sense. That's strictly better than this, I agree. So let's change all of them. I think there's 3 of them. Let's look at them again. There's that. Wait, I'm looking for. So there's this one, which is a base if base else, a base if base else, base if base else. And then you have an os.get current directory. You fixed it. Wait, this isn't. Am I on the wrong branch? This is your new branch, right? Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Oh yeah, I'm just a little. Yeah, this is this one. So then we'll replace all of these, and that should be good. We have a type issue because there's no mod. Oh, I see. This one's mod name. So this is good. Let me just go to all of these and find them and see what's going on. Make sure it's mod. So mod, yes. Mod, yes. Mod name, yes. Okay, cool. So that's good. That's better. Now, did we have any fails yet? No, we have some S's. These are new, right? Aren't those not present on main? Some of these parse on invalidates. These might be new. So what I'm going to do though, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to main because I think main has no skipped. So there's some differences here. Get diff. I'm gonna just commit this. Wait, but you had all passing and 3 skipped. I wonder what happened on your in here, because in here it's in here you've got you have tests failing. Let's see what it looks like. This is assertion error. It's some test that's failing in here. Current graph save to. Why does this happen?
Because the connect expression I have changed. I think
Okay.
the connect expression.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, but that should have failed here though. That's the thing that's surprising to me. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and commit this. Yeah, this is the only diff. Get add. More platform independent. Okay. And then get push. Now I'm going to go back to main, check out main. I'm going to do a get pull. Main has more stuff, so we probably need to do a merge main, right? Because, yeah, we got to do a merge main on near branch. But on main, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to run, I'll just run the test on pi-k unparse, because there's this unparse validate. Oh, let me do, oh, jeez. Yeah, all right, now there's an unparse validate. So this is the unparse validate tests, battery of tests, and so we're going to get those passing. All right. And make sure these don't pass. And then I'm going to go here. And then I'm going to make these not skip test. So I'm going to make these like actually die. I'll make it actually die if it dies. So just making sure. So because they passed, this shouldn't be a skip test type test now since they all passed. So I'm gonna do a get branch real quick. No, yeah, branch, get diff. That's the only change. Get add. I'm gonna commit this directly to main. Dot get commit second. Test hardened test on parse battery. Okay, get push directly to main. Then I'm going to check yours out again. What was the name of your branch?
Reference
That's one. Referencing off of new. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a get merge main. It merges just fine. Get push that to your branch. And now, let's run PyTest again. Let's see. Test. Let's do unparse. Okay. And see if you still have, if you have a fail. You should have a fail because it was skipped. But maybe it's going to work now because you were on an old main. You hadn't rebased main, so. Awesome. Okay, that's good news. Maybe this is why yours might have failed, but let's do I'll run a PyTest, and then we can just we'll see what happens. And we'll just keep going here by looking at your diff. All right, so we have the diff. So I'm trying to, we should probably just we should do this. If you make changes, we could do this daily or something. Because I don't want too many changes to have to reason about. So is there any known issues you have, or would you consider this to be completed and merge ready?
I only the connect expressions. I want to ask you, is that okay? If I completely change that.
All right,
Others are I just made some small changes,
all right.
like
Let's
to
yeah.
make them so others. Okay.
Okay, it sounds fine. Let's do this thing. Um. Oh man, there might be some copyright issues using that song. Jeez, I'm gonna have to click off from this. All right. So this is all passing, which is good news. Let's see. MK Docs. Oh no, let's first do Jack. What was it called? Automate Ref. Jack Tool Automate Ref. Okay, now we're gonna do MK Docs. Oh, well, we still have this thing. Oh, it's fine. MK Docs serve. Yep, we've got one failing, and it's the connect expressions thing.
Yeah, the one failed thing is the connect expression.
Yeah, because you made a change to connect expressions, right?
Yeah. So the assertion will be.
Yeah. Okay, we'll look at that. We'll look at this in a second. Let me close this because I'm gonna try to quickly just address this issue. First of all, I really don't like this whole like writing stuff to disk and then checking it, and then there's not even a delete. So we'll have this connect expressions dot, right? Isn't there a way to call graph in such a way that it prints the screen? Jeez. Oh, so this is kind of new. This is from Sivasuthan, a PR from Sivasuthan. So there's save to. If you make save to nothing, I almost feel like it should. I feel like it should print a screen, not create a file. I mean, it's for testing purposes. It's like because then you'll have this file lingering around, and you might accidentally commit it. So this error, graph content save to, what? Graph content save to, oh, it's like looking for this and you have something else. Error not found in, you have this. You have this type of thing. Instead of this is looking for that. Okay. Let me think. So we should look at what you. So which one did you want me to check?
The connect expressions.
Mm-hmm. Connect expressions.
Because the disconnect thing was added new, so you need to write the example for the disconnect, which was not before in the reference examples.
Where?
So I made the change of connect expression.
But where is the disconnect? Oh, this? Oh, you made the change for this. Oh. So you actually. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, this is fine.
So it has the. Yeah, it has the connect expression example and also the
disconnecting. Okay. Yeah, this is. Yeah, this needs to run through the auto formatter, but let me think. This seems fine, so we could just update this. Why don't we just check for this? So that should fix that. Whoop, there's a, yeah. So what is this, test graph? Okay, let's just pytest fk test graph. This is a different issue. I need to fix that, but let's just do this for now. Okay, that works. Okay. Now, reviewing this PR is a little tricky, right? Because what I need to do is look here and see the ones you've updated. So you did abilities, which is just remove that content. Yeah, you did this, which is
Yeah, using the same.
you have a sum string in there. Okay. Okay, I see.
Yeah, also using the same.
Okay.
And also the class is also added as.
So you're, oh, so you made this. You just used what was generated.
Yeah.
You don't have to do. Was this generated? Does it do make obj and the data class thing? Oh, okay. I mean, my goal is to kind of make this more pretty. Like, this is a pretty version of how to do it in Pi instead of just the code that's generated. So I would refactor these to be like not like the code generated version, but just the minimal, like what you would need to do. So you can get rid of this line on these passes, and then so it's not really supposed to be like, it's supposed to look more like this, you know, instead of just using the generated stuff. Do you understand what I mean? So if we look at that example, archetypes.py, py here. So is it this one? No. Where is it? Oh. It's this one, right? Yeah, this is the one. So I would make this like human readable, right? Where it's like, I would say Jack feature is Jack, and then do Jack.makeObj. You won't need these because this doesn't have any it doesn't have any has variables. So I would just make this like look pretty. So throughout, I think that's the next iteration, and then I can merge this. This is simplified. Oh, I see. Simplified it a lot. That's fine. So this one's simplified. Oh no, this one, like, what's happening here? Oh, it's just a match. So do the same. Yeah. So do the same here, and then because the one point that I want to make is that in this part is that the Jack could be used as a library. So you can actually achieve like all of the functionality of JackLang if you wanted to use it as a library of decorators. And so it's kind of like in Python library mode, you could do it like this, right? So like that's what I'm kind of going for with that. So that's why I think the pretty, like you'd want to make it like more human readable and not use all of the underscores and stuff. This stuff is necessary for CodeGen because you want to be able to intermix with whatever Python imports and code they're using. So I wouldn't use the straight CodeGen one, just the Python version. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. So I think I'll push my changes. You can make those tweaks and then just shoot me a note on Slack when they're done. Okay. Sorry, that's pretty much it. See, this is why I don't like generating it as a file, because you'll make this mistake constantly. I'm trying to think what to do. Oh, I'll just leave it. I can just have this be ignored. Just add it to the ignore. Alright, fuck it. Alright, fuck it. Ah, that's fine. Oh, I can also mock. Oh, I can also. There's a couple things I could do. You could do in the test to make sure that it doesn't actually create a file. Um, Alright, so now we don't have correct expressions, and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make this change. Because I can't remember the pattern. So let's just go to ChatGPT. Hey, ChatGPT. You got this, ChatGPT. To modify this, use test memory mock, intercept calls that would normally write, blah 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 blah. I just want the code. I just want the code, dude. Yeah, you might mock the CLR graph that handles open. Here's an example of how you do this. So we need patch and mock open. With patch, built-ins open. Yeah, okay. As mock file capture. I think this works. Hello mock file. What? This looks like overly complex. Doesn't this look overly complex? Handle writing assertions. Can inspect what was written to the file. Check if write was called. If specific content needs to be checked. Do I need all this shit? I can do this assert. Oh, is it, what is it? Oh, this is on standard out. Wait a second, was that on standard out here? Oh, it's only testing on standard out, so I guess it prints it to the screen too. Wait, what the fuck is this? Print graph save to blah. Print. No, wait. Where is there a print to the screen with open file? Because his test, didn't his test print to the screen too? Dot John. Error while generating graph. With alright. I actually don't understand what this is doing. I should play with this. Alright, I'm just going to leave it committed like that for now, and I think I got to come back and re-review this. Path to save generated graph. I just don't understand how it's printing to the screen. I'll just spend a little bit more time on this just to make sure I can validate. Because maybe I'm reviewing people's PRs too fast. Let's close this. Let's go to where the connect dot was. Oh, this is the screen output. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. This looks good. This looks good. Oh. Okay. So this looks good. I like this. That's nice. So man, then maybe so that's a good. Maybe my PRing is fine with patch, but he's checking built-in. Okay, for the output. Okay, that's fine. Let's see, captured. So we do this. He does that. I don't think you need to do this piece of the thing. So I'm just gonna do with patch. This is all we need. That's all we need. This is all we need. Yeah. And then let's just import these. Eesh, yucky, yucky, yuck. Let's just do it in here. Okay, that's good. That's better. So now when we run that test, but wait, oh, we have to probably do something. Whoops, we have to do something with the. What the fuck? Type error file read. This is with open. Oh, with patch. Oh, we're patching it. It's called multiple times. That's calling it multiple times. Because this actually needs to use open. And it's dying on the execution of the Marshall file because this thing is with patch mock open. Fuck. As mocked file. Wait. How does it use mocked file? I certain no, I don't want that. I don't care about that. Shit. So it wasn't super. There's a better way to patch, I think. Let's ask ChatGPT. The thing is, it's the right that we want to mock. Actually, we actually want to mock right. We don't want to mock open. I only want to mock the file writing, not open. Can you give me that example? So ChatGPT was wrong, I think. Yeah. What, Magic Mock? I don't want to use Magic Mock. I guess Magic Mock is inside of Mock, so that's fine. Def open mock? What the fuck? Why is this so complicated? I don't want open. Alright, let's just go back and re-ask this question. No. Oh. Oh. How do I use mock to make sure the file is actually written to disk? Come on, simple. Yep, don't tell me mock open. It should be some kind of mock. What? To create and write files? Oh yeah, of course. It is open. What am I tripping? I was assuming open read. I just want the writes to not go. Maybe this will do it. There's a mock open with patch built-in open M. Isn't this the same? What's this IO shit? Where does it need the IO? Because open is used multiple times. And mock open is the problem. This is the same code basically. With patch, built-in open as mock open. With patch, built-ins open as mock open. Captured, blah. And then this thing doesn't run. CLI graph. God, no. I could just delete the file after and just leave it. It's fine. Fuck it. I'll just delete it. I'll just delete it right here. If yes, yes, okay, good. That ChatGPT helped. So this will just not get the. And then there's no file created. Yeah, this is fine. I'll accept this. Okay. Cool. Okay. So yeah, go ahead and make those changes, and then I'll finalize your PR.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Talk soon. Yep. Later. Yep. Bye.